AI can figure out your avatar for you, and it's unbelievably easy. So this is something that I think everybody should do, which is record their calls. So this is assuming you already have a niche and that you now want to like get really direct on your avatar. I like picking a niche, which is like kind of broad, and then having some sort of messaging around that, and then bringing those people in and seeing who actually buys from you and who you like working with. And you should record those calls, and you can take those transcripts and put them into AI and just have it break down your avatar for you, which produces some fantastic results. Because ultimately, AI needs data to actually needs context, right? So everybody asks, how the hell do I give my AI? How do I do prompt engineering? And it's very simple. You just have to give it the right context, and you just have to keep that in mind, basically. Which means transcripts. So record every call, and then after you record every call, put the if you have coaching calls, then you can do that as well, and figure out what's missing and what are the common problems that people come to you with anyway. In terms of sales calls, you can also take exact quotes and then bring it forward into your marketing. Like just recording calls and using the transcripts is so unbelievably fucking broken and so easy at the same time. It's stupid. And no one does it because it's new. So do it because it's obvious. All right. Bye.